Welcome back to Trivia Beam. Today's quiz is about the deadliest natural phenomena on our planet. Let's see how well you understand the power of Earth. Ready? Survive this quiz.
Which natural disaster kills the most people globally each year? Floods. The deadliest earthquake in recorded history occurred in China. Which volcanic eruption caused the year without summer in 1816? Tambora. Which country experiences the most earthquakes annually? Japan. What is the fastest wind speed ever recorded on Earth? (480 kilometers per hour). Which natural phenomenon causes the most lightning-related deaths? Thunderstorms. The deadliest tsunami in modern history occurred in (2004) India. Which desert holds the record for the highest air temperature ever recorded? Death Valley. What primarily causes a tsunami? Earthquakes. Which volcanic hazard is the most deadly? Pyroclastic flows. Which continent has the most active volcanoes? Asia. What makes heat waves deadly? Dehydration. Which hurricane was one of the costliest in history? Katrina. Which natural disaster can trigger a fire tornado? Wildfire. Which gas released from volcanic lakes can silently suffocate people? Carbon dioxide. What scale measures hurricane intensity? Saffir-Simpson. Which country experiences the most tropical cyclones? Philippines. Which natural disaster is most unpredictable? Earthquakes. What type of lightning is the most dangerous to humans? Cloud to ground. Which ocean produces the most powerful hurricanes? Pacific. What is the deadliest type of landslide? Mudflow. The deadliest earthquake in history killed approximately how many people? $830,000. The 2004 Indian Ocean tsunami waves reached heights of approximately 30 meters. The deadliest heatwave in European history, 2003, killed roughly 70,000 people. Which country experiences the most lightning strikes annually? Brazil. The deadliest avalanche disaster in history occurred in Afghanistan. Which natural disaster often causes more deaths after it ends? Flood. A Category 5 hurricane has sustained winds of at least 252 kilometers per hour. Which gas silently killed over 1,700 people at Lake Nyos, Cameroon, in 1986? Carbon dioxide. Which factor makes wildfires spread faster? Strong winds. Which region is known as Tornado Alley? Central United States. Which natural disaster caused the Fukushima nuclear disaster? Earthquake and tsunami. The deadliest landslide in recorded history occurred in China. Which phenomenon can generate winds over 500 kilometers per hour? Tornado. The 1883 Krakatoa eruption was heard approximately how far away? (4,800 kilometers). Which volcanic eruption created the deadliest tsunami in recorded history? Krakatoa. The deadliest drought-related famine of the 20th century occurred primarily in China. What is the primary cause of death during massive wildfires? Smoke inhalation. What is lahar? Volcanic mudflow. Which natural disaster can produce waves taller than the Eiffel Tower? Megatsunami.
How many did you survive? Drop your score in the comments. Let's see who's truly prepared for Earth's deadliest forces.